Now, it's not in the name, the repository. Maybe it's Viper. Right? That's why I try to follow the acronym template. You end up probably not with good solutions because maybe that's not enough. Maybe Viper, the acronym here, one view, one interactor, one presenter, one entity, and one router is not enough. Because you want to decouple your use cases, your interactors from concrete infrastructure details. So you need to know that it's not just a view, a presenter, an interactor, and an entity. There's more to it. And if you look at the original definition of Viper, they describe that as like, yeah, this is just a cool acronym. Actually, you will organize those layers, those separations here to whatever makes sense to your application. You're not supposed to follow blindly a template. So this is something that you have to talk to your team lead, to your team, and come up with a solution that makes sense to your project.
Exactly.
Right? That's why I don't like to just follow blindly a template. I like to actually, you know what? I'm going to start creating a view controller, and then I will start separating some presentation logic in a presenter. And if I need, I will create a use case and so on. Because maybe not every screen needs all of this. Some screens might be so simple. It's just static data. You don't need an interactor for that. You don't need a service. You don't need a repository. It's just static data, right? But if you're following a template, you need to add all these layers in there, even if you don't need them. So just following the template might be too much, too many layers, unnecessary layers, or not enough as well, depending on the kind of separation you want to create in an application. You might also need to create some repositories. You might also need to separate your entities into value objects, aggregates, and so on.